In this video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2023 Dodge Durango. There's a couple little tips and tricks to it to get it done. The first thing you're going to do without pressing the brake pedal on the vehicle, you're going to push the start button twice, and that's going to put it into the run mode without the vehicle actually running. It won't reset if the vehicle is running. You're going to use then the directional pad on the left hand side of the screen to navigate through the menus here. The first thing I'm going to do is press the down arrow to get to the one that looks like the vehicle, and then I'm going to press the right arrow to navigate through this menu. It's going to be several over here right there where it says oil life. To reset the oil life, I'm going to push down the OK button and hold it, and that will reset it to 100%. That's all there is to it. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.